preparation na kusa yen na the way our boys no moya no you know say never to so you say start season no the way the share preseason na say in my koso man no you share season na say so na ebeko yamai because if you previous seasons no preseasons na nko yamai entia na ebo league na nko yamai season we there I say preseason also ko yamai na new players ni so amabum so no boy
the way I has a bobo no seriously make us manage ho na meboa because from we dey banyina players e beto nyina wotimi say we ana we shemu wo mu a me hu say afi dey niam abeko yi amaye ye ni so the way omo ye no but ye be so say omo mpege omo mode mo mu kakra because chance dey ba na say one sha e bia ne e betima say last chance no any chance bia be ba bia say ye 3 say ye 2 ye be pese on betimi dey ato atama amaye
say ye wo extra ina na
oh, I know the Minyaya, my number one keeper, and I am Richard Data.
Thank you.
Richard Data, I am my number one keeper. My number one, I am Richard Data. And you see Minyaya, one of my number one, I am Richard Data. And this is Richard Data, the almost man that put normal man confidence that day. We no time or year now. Or why am I yet to
oh, 2 minutes there. Ye nyadumpu, but coach no, me said no man or any so. Press no me tun say isa no o hwe obi ahode ahwe se no obi ahode tie ntini me feel do o ye no na first no so na second half to me shego ba cho mo say first half so say won tum empeja mo kakra nti na ma first half so etumi say etumi shego so prayer no me tum say so aguno audio so say den but match me so dey ni kwa so dey no me dia grossa but all the same no me say coach ni no be kasa say be next match no onye preta on feni agro oh me there
so this first match
oh that be third match
this is the movie this has been me
perfect
when you say too late early so because it has been
oh too early bet you share press na the do almost say the time say league ya and share press ya ko form go akire wa you will say this season the number be change so that's if I'm Emmanuel, they're from Alonso. More media. Game now has a folk here, boy, in there. There has a folk fans. Now I expect 6 or 7 goals. I will give them by 4 goals in the 2 p.m. You won't say, boys, you know, much in Aboni now. How much goals? I'm going to perform my own say. This time around, you know, now as money a way, you know, now it's in the money now anymore. But this time strikers now on you say competition about obi e mana kwanya bia no obom you say yes say statistics now oba chere dey obetima den ayabo has a folk team oh normal you say normal penalty there by the day e bia timi say there what I say Ronaldo mu na Messi mu no mutimi say penalty and I think say Isakuka no afin of injury aba and then the first match oba no say no born the ball no yenim dada nya afin be hu Isakuka the who know I to you has a folk nya hu team no from Marilas no akọ loans by the ball no so far or say penalty by one bad penalty there by the day you be a chance of a bit must say so what must say don't the coach nation be say want to win game first half who could show opponent be or just stubborn side wait my hour second half just want to make kill game in first half now why then second half nothing no process nothing there what they upon so one goal corner oben yakra na first half now na second half no ubekuta ball na yapon and one 3 points no oh you janam to as beje league now we team here there we are and you be be catch say beje league go and there na yam pese de kotoko be yam fanton and they say about 2 matches baako ebu akem baako akoye draw nti ehwe am 4 matches na mabo na baako pe na mo wini what I say but has the folk matches na boy na no obi a ye mane me hu say phobia no this time here den ye ba no ya ka che say ye pese yan hihye 2000 team ni bi what I say 64 battalions no eni bi ni ye hihye no nti obi a wo chat for us folk ti me pese me ka che us folk fan bia obi bia onya kwamba pop man bia wonya kwamba say oda onda this time has a folk team oh My goalkeeper there. So mama kwenye say me coach. I think the Hearts folk fan bia onim Richard Atta bia nim say woman kwenye say coach. The best number 1 goalkeeper ebe Richard Atta because say we hwa Ghana goalkeeper Onana ene dey amano. Ball playing goalkeeper. Say we hwa Man City ablofo ni na we ball playing goalkeeper. If I want to pom ebina United ayana wayi DJ Eden Edna Fu akofa Onana Ede Odinaba no. Ofulench Alawa because experience no ho a ball leg na che a ball mediama and a ball kotoko others here yes it is my second goalkeeper there my second choice Ofulench Alawa best me that's me blame me your friend me Abanga Obala pass me la pass to driver yes I pass Domiko Abenya station Abanga there Oba class post to center line now bisa and now Oba assistance Udu opebe hume.
Asisi we minimum and better now. So nim.
Yawo bibia. Yawo bibia. Yan say media no be because you see team no more there. Nti person mo ban yan. Na yan tumi yan black and right. Na your players no say fans no yan tan machi. Because as a folk hwe player, we say just number 19, just number 9, just number 23. There is a prize to watch. Asanko for be show mo. Omo ni ball ni boy yi pa. Uhu omo stand no ball na. The striker na there on there Ghana Drogba yankana sem a tossing quality at Nabekasa. What I say, there's a folk fan beyond what this season there. Go come there, young has a folk team Nasi share a Chirono share Kevin Stacey Bemu and then Sanya Agbesime. Why 22 pe and not much no bona. So far, why bad? Agbesime will be any minimum. And I want him for one day quite enjoy the player and then to fear. How the folk fan beyond your queen about my beer who say Agbesime. I still Agbesime.
I've been coming here, but this is my second time of coming since the friendly started. Okay. I was here when the Lazio team came here. Okay. Well, we won the 4-1. I was here. Okay. And today too I'm here to look at what has improved since our last friendly match. That's the one that I watched. Yeah. And I think a lot has changed because interpositional play and the commitment from the players. And now the coach is giving other players the opportunity to prove their worth. So that at least, sooner than later, the window will be closing. So that he will know which players form part of his main squad for the season. So I think it's very good exercise for the coach and for the team. And we are really enjoying ourselves over here today. Yes, if we keep on improving on what we've done so far, because if you look at the signing for this season, we have mature players who are committed at their various teams before coming to join the Phobia fraternity. So if they can all improve and work as a team, I think we can get to the 2000s period. So all is about commitment and performance. If we are able to keep them together for about a year or two, I think they can gel together, then we can get the glory back. I think that if you want to have experience of what to expect in the coming season, I think the best opportunity is now. Come and have a glimpse of what the players can do. Not like you read online or not like what people say, but what you have experienced yourself. Because if I come and watch, what I will see and what I will take home is different from what another person will take. So I think I'm encouraging everybody, if you can get a chance, please make a trip down here. Maybe Sunday they may play their last match, so you can come here and watch the team so that you can know what the team is up to for the season. I think we have a formidable team now, so I can bet my luck for the first 4, maybe part of it. The part, what we do is that we take FA Cup to be like the second fiddle. So we go with the reserve players. This time that way, at least we can get the trouble once again.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.